Happy Thursday. Today we are going to be continuing our API, also known as Asian Pacific Islander Heritage Month, and we're going to be making a really special treat. We're going to be making Korean cheese corn. So what you're going to need is canned corn or regular corn or frozen corn. Doesn't matter. This is just what I happen to have in my home. Green onions. Some mayonnaise. It could be light mayo, whatever mayo you happen to have. And some mozzarella cheese. This is the best. Look at that. And we're gonna mix it all in. So I already went ahead and opened my corn and drained it. Of course, wash your hands first. So as you can see, I washed my hands and I got my corn ready. You can take a mixing bowl like this and you're gonna pour your canned corn in. Here, let me show you guys. Look at that. Woo! We're gonna put in 2 cans and it's gonna make a really good dish. Now this is a Korean dish that they have in Korean restaurants or at home when they have dinner, and it's a lovely side dish. So now, with the help of an adult, you're gonna chop up your onions. So we're gonna chop off the ends, which is the little, look at the roots. And then we're gonna quickly just cut them up and we're gonna mix them into the bowl too. So I'm gonna chop them. You guys can come on in and get a little closer so you can get a better look. Chop them all up. You wanna watch out for your fingers. And again, this is something that your mom or dad or whoever's the adult at home can help you do. Or you could try it yourself. Just make sure to not cut those fingers off. Oh, and you're also, I forgot to mention, gonna set your timer to 400 degrees in your oven. And you always should do that first, so while you're mixing your ingredients, you're able to get everything going. So we're gonna just put that in with the rest of our corn. And let me chop up this other one really quick. So I don't know if you guys happen to know this, but I'm actually Korean. I was adopted, and I've been in the US since I was a little baby. And so even though I don't know a lot, I like to keep up with my Korean heritage. We like to eat Korean food and learn more about the culture. I even did Taekwondo, which is their national martial arts, which is one of their sports when I was younger. And it's good to learn about different cultures. What some cultures you guys know about? Leave them in the comments below. Let us know. Maybe we can celebrate that month. So we're going to keep cutting up all the onions. How does that look? Nice and chopped up. Mix it in, and then we're going to take 2/3. So you can take your 1/3 cup of mayo. And I'm going to use my spoon to make sure I have just enough. This is going to make it nice and creamy and give it some flavor. Again, so we're going to get a little bit more. This is the real mayo. It's the good stuff. And if you have other kinds of mayo at home, feel free to use that. And tell us how it comes out. So we're gonna take the mayo, put that in, and again, this is gonna make it nice and creamy and give it some flavor. 1 more cup.
Do you have enough there?
Yeah. I should have enough. If not, we can go to our trusty fridge and get the other jar of mayo. Do you guys like mayo? Should be enough. All right, and then we're gonna take our cheese. Now, I like a lot of cheese. I don't know if you guys do, so this might not be enough for me, but we're gonna put it in. And you're gonna, this is the part you guys can really help out with. Just sprinkle it in there. Oh no, that might be enough. And then you're gonna take your spoon and you're gonna mix it all together. You wanna get all the corn and the mayo and the onions mixed in and all of the cheese. And if you wanna add, like, I'm not big on spices, but if you wanna add something spicy to it, let us know how it turns out. Maybe some garlic. Mix it all up. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? My mom's helping me film because you know what? Sometimes you need someone to help you do some things because we can't do it all on our own. And it's okay to ask for help. You guys have met my mom. She helped us in our last couple of videos. She was at school, not at school, I'm sorry, at work one day when we did our Heart Healthy Month. She's the nurse. Okay, now we're gonna take our little glass pan and we're gonna fill it up and pop it in the oven for 10 minutes. You guys can leave it in there. Make sure it's nice and ooey gooey and bubbling. I like my cheese a little extra burnt, so send us some pictures. Let us know how your Korean corn cheese came out, or cheesy corn, and tag us. Let us know. I hope you all have a wonderful Thursday. Can't wait to see you at the museum again. Bye, guys.